We started Innovega because we believed that there would need to be a new way of accessing content, media.
I have what is called albinism. I do not have any pigment in my hair, skin, and eyes. Not only does light come in through my pupil, light comes in through my iris as well. So much light is coming in that I'm always having to wear sunglasses and hat when I walk around just to be able to see something.
What we recognized was that the quality of our media is getting more and more rich. The existing ways we access that media through our phone and our tablet were going to be insufficient.
I worked at Apple for about 9 years. Steve contacted me and said, hey, we have this opportunity at Innovega with these solutions for the low vision population.
80% of us own a pair of glasses. So as humans, it's easy and comfortable and cool to wear your glasses. Our mission is to provide that same comfort and performance, but in digital glasses.
When we talk about folks who wear digital displays for vision aids, they want to look normal, right? They don't want to look like they have a shoebox on their head. And with Innovega's solution of a contact lens plus a pair of glasses, we can actually achieve that. We can get something that looks like a normal pair of glasses so that folks can improve their vision, but also not look like they need vision aids.
When I was a little girl, I didn't think that there was going to be anything that could help me see. I'm the first person to tell somebody that I want to be independent, and the fact that I was here today and I was able to read the really, really small print, D, C, and then I normally have to see somebody about 3 to 5 inches from my face in order to actually see the details of their face. And being able to put on the glasses and look at people in their faces and be like, oh, hi, that's what you look like. That alone is mind-blowing to me.
I think this technology is really important for the low vision community because it allows folks to have a normal pair of glasses so that there isn't that social stigma of looking like you need a vision aid.
Working with the impossible is something that engineers like to do. There's nothing more important to our Innovega team than giving that back to humanity.
I'm really excited for the future of Innovega.